Hi guys, my name is Roop Sandhu and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then please consider to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram as well. So guys, today I'm going to do a review of a newly launched product by one of my favorite brand, that is K Beauty by Katrina Kaif. So we have today the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. So this foundation comes in 20 shades, suiting all Indian skin tones. Isn't that great, guys? I was sent with 4 shades, which I'll show you in some time. But before that, I want to talk about some important points about this foundation. So price of this foundation is 1200, which I would say is a little expensive. Amount that we get in this foundation is 30 grams. So the packaging of this product is just amazing. There is foam inside to protect the foundation. This is a glass bottle with a white cap. It has a pump that controls the flow. There is this beautiful K Beauty print on the bottle. The whole product looks just stunning. So this foundation, as the name suggests, is a hydrating foundation, and this is not going to give you a matte or a dry matte finish. However, you can use setting powders or compact to make your face, your makeup look matte, or to set your foundation you can use such things. So I want to read out some claims of this foundation. This is cruelty free, paraben free, paraffin free, mineral oil free, and this is vegan. Care ingredients of this foundation are avocado butter, mango butter, and hyaluronic acid. I will also mention the ingredient list in the description as it's a little difficult to read out. The hydrating properties of this foundation are just amazing. I applied this foundation on my dry hand. I am actually having a little dry, cracky hands these days because of some reason, and when I applied this foundation on my hand, the dryness and the crackiness and the fine lines, they just disappeared. I have applied this foundation on my face without moisturizer and without primer, and the foundation looks absolutely fine. My face is not feeling dry at all. After applying this foundation, I have also set my face with a compact, but still I'm not feeling dryness. Of course, I have made my foundation a little matte, but I'm not feeling dry at all. So I have tried to blend this foundation on my face with my hand as well, I mean with my fingers, but I was not very much satisfied with that finish. It was fine, but it was not very satisfactory. But when I applied this foundation with a beauty blender, it gave me a very good finish. If you apply one coat of this foundation, it is not going to give you a satisfactory coverage. It is going to give you a very light coverage, but two coats of this foundation are going to give you a very good finish. So this foundation does not even settles in the pores or fine lines, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes to settle down, after which the finish looks just amazing. If you cannot wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then you can also set your face with with compact. I have applied a very light touch of compact on my face after applying this foundation, which is looking fine. So now I'm going to show you guys the swatches of the 4 shades that were sent to me. By the way, I am 220 in Maybelline Fit Me and Superstay foundation, and NC25 in MAC Studio Fix foundation. So first we have 105Y Light, and then we have 130Y Medium, and then we have 155Y Tan, and lastly 180Y Deep. So this foundation has a medium consistency. It is not very runny or liquidy, and it's not even thick foundation. It is like a medium foundation. So guys, it has been 25 to 30 minutes that I've applied this foundation, but I don't think that it is oxidized. Do you think it is oxidized? If you see my face and overall, do you think it is oxidized? I don't think it is oxidized, so that is also a very great thing. So first of all, I am going to take 2 pumps of this foundation, and I will be applying this on my face, and then I will take my beauty blender and I'm going to spread this foundation on my face. I'm going to blend this foundation all over my face. It is very easy to blend this foundation. It spreads very nicely, and within a few seconds you can just quickly blend it on your face. It doesn't take too long. So that was the first coat of this foundation on my face. It is very light. If you guys wish, you can again add more foundation and build it, just like I am going to do now. I will be taking another coat of this foundation. I'll apply more foundation on my face, and I'm going to blend this foundation all over my face. This is going to add a little more coverage of this foundation. So what I prefer in this foundation is that I like 2 coats of this foundation. 1 coat is very light for me. I think 2 coats of this foundation gives me a very satisfactory coverage. I would say that this foundation is a light to medium coverage foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation. However, you can apply concealers and setting powders. That is surely going to add more coverage, but otherwise if you see this foundation, it is a light to medium coverage foundation. So this foundation does not leave any patches. It spreads perfectly, even finish, and I really love the way this foundation spreads on the face. It doesn't take too long to spread the foundation. So that thing I really love about this foundation. So this foundation is available at Nykaa app. You can buy it from there, but I would recommend you guys to go to Nykaa store, try this foundation. They will apply it on your face, they will set the foundation and see it for yourself. Do you like the finish or not? And then you buy this foundation, because guys, this foundation is for 1200 rupees, and it will be more appropriate for you guys to go to the store, apply it, test it, and then buy this foundation. So that was all about this foundation. I really love the packaging of this foundation and also the hydrating properties of this foundation. I just totally love. It gives a very beautiful finish. I really love the finish of this foundation. However, whenever you are buying this foundation, you should know this fact that this is a light to medium foundation. It is not a full coverage foundation. You can get a medium coverage, of course, but you can see that I have a little marks on this areas of my cheeks, which it cannot hide. So that was the review of this foundation. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much.